Good morning. This is Diane from DNF Properties. Today is May 30th, and I just came back from my marketing meeting, and I just wanted to share with you some of how the market is going on right now. May was a particularly weird month. It was like a stop and go month. We'd have some speed ups in sales and pendings, and then it slowed down a bit. So we do see some properties that have been lingering on the market for a little longer than the average, which was around 12, 14 days. So you do see some properties getting into the 30-day range about there. This last week, properties inventory has decreased again, and pendings have gone up quite a bit. So that means, again, buyers are getting really motivated to buy, and sellers are holding off on placing their homes on the market. If you are a buyer and if you see something that's been on the market longer than 12, 14, 20 days, don't hesitate to look at that property. Just because it's been on the market longer than the average doesn't mean there is anything wrong with that property. Maybe it just got caught in that cycle that we had in May. And so it might be good to really look at those, because if a seller's motivated to sell and they start getting nervous because it's been more than 2 weeks and it hasn't sold yet, you may want to go in and check that out. And other buyers might be afraid to look at it, because I've had buyers tell me, why has that been on the market so long? And it's really not that long. Again, that's one thing to look at. Another thing that's been happening is, as you know, interest rates have been going up over the past 6 months. They've been just going up slowly. And this week, you'll hear reports from Freddie Mac saying that we're the highest we've been in rates in a long time. But actually, I think it was last Wednesday or Thursday, the bond market broke its 3% range to the downside on yield. So that means that rates have been declining a little bit this past week. So right now, if you're looking to refinance, or if you're locking in, I would do that right now, because they have decreased a little bit from last week. And we may have a trend of them going lower. Oil is dropping, and there is a correlation between oil prices dropping and bond yields dropping, meaning lower rates. And inflation has been very tame, according to the reports. So that is also an indication that rates may go a little lower in the next few weeks or months. So keep an eye out for that if you are purchasing your home, and that's something you want to look into and keep an eye out. I don't think we're going to be seeing rates go high again like we did a few weeks ago. They're probably going to stabilize or go down a tiny bit. So there's your market update. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to answer them. 408-221-6602. That's my cell. I'm available anytime. Just give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.